How to enhance image using AI on Picsart. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can enhance your images using AI on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and on the search bar type Picsart.com and you will reach to this interface of Picsart. Here, make sure you have logged into your account. Now select the image you want to enhance by AI by clicking on this new project button and create canvas. You will reach to the editing space. Here at the left side bar, you will see uploads option just below layout. Click on that uploads and select a photo from your device by clicking on this upload button below. After choosing the photo, bring it to your canvas by dragging it. Once the image is displayed on your canvas, now at the top you will see some editing options. There you will see AI enhance option next to remove. Click on that and it will take some time to enhance your image. Wait for a while patiently until it completes. And you can see the enhanced image by AI. Now click on apply to apply it to your photo. So in this way you can enhance your images using AI on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.